Welcome to this beautiful custom home with high-end finishes in a quiet West Linn neighborhood. Nestled among the trees, bordering green space and a nature park on two sides, enjoy serenity with close-in convenience. Heading inside, discover light-filled privacy throughout the home. Relax by the fireplace, while heated tile floors on the main level keep you nice and cozy in the winter months. Take in green space views each morning while making your favorite cuisine in the well-appointed kitchen with stainless appliances, with all appliances included. Upstairs, enjoy the convenient workspace. The large primary bedroom with two walk-in closets features lovely views overlooking the trees. Relax in the steam and rainhead shower or the jetted tub. The second-level bedroom also has a walk-in closet and its own private bathroom. On the lower level, a large, flexible space can be used as a family room, bedroom, or studio, also with its own private bath. Spend your evenings enjoying the covered patio with a fireplace overlooking the nature park. A backyard gate leads down the steps into the wooded area of North Willamette Park with trails leading to playgrounds and sport courts. HOA fees cover the home's exterior maintenance. Discover the serenity of this masterfully crafted home here on Matterhorn Court. It's ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Iiams or Dan Canfield with Premier Property Group.